Hi guys! Mayam ngasidi aigi best friend na aibu makeup tawbigani duga photoshoot macha ama tawjagani adu mayam video se hodringani mamangda mayam punumakpu happy yausang handaki yausang jimadi yamna safe oina pangthokpo oibiyo hauji coronavirus ki yamna khudongthiba matam asida mayamna isana isabu virus asi changdanaba nadanaba protective measures lawbiyo yausangji chamarak lakani dubu sigumba khudongthiba situation sidadi yari makhai isana isabu ngauthonaba hotnabiyo asise akhoi first aid kit ne adubu akoina phajana proper utilization tawnabagidama first aid kit sibu akoina makeup box on thok jabani kina poche khara yaujare sida sida leire mayam eye shadow mayam leire mayam leire oriflame asina highlighter aigi quite favorite ne highlighter se aduga sida leire cream perfume sponge leire sida brush leire mayam tainaba asina lipstick khara leire brush leire si cable holder again si taizaragi ahambada BB cream oriflame ki ahambada toner taire
Wake me up from my dreams full of sadness and
I use my foundation thaba loire I mean BB cream aduga compact khara thare zik my eyebrow hapage eyebrow sangage adugi dabakta brush tawraga khara dark oiba brown color eye shadow lorga adum sangage brush sangaba de ta please hai jaba wuri nante ma okay Zik pishum loizare aduga akhoi zik eyeshadow de chegani
One eternity later.
Mayam zik cable loizare cable loizu hana thiba dum thiri adoizu khoi try di tawjagi bane adu mayam zik photo shoot toraje mayam video se yenga dum le video ka du sati gino tadi let's go photo shoot se akhoi yum gi mathak ki terrace ta ka first la
Kaling set laga asigi yot ki stair asi ka ki bata ki akan piyo hana yang koi dilai na meya da music photographer ka sarage
saye
it's too hot
tell that she wants it. Is it the look in her eyes or the way that she smiles? How can you tell that she wants it? Now that she's biting her lips, licking her fingertips. So now you know that she wants it. Why would she dress up like this if she ain't looking for it? I know where this is heading. Lots of flickering.
zik ani suba photo shoot tours last
When I dress like a woman, whenever I move the way that I want to, I'll always be wrong when I feel like a woman. Get your hands on me, don't you think that I asked for it? I don't want your kiss.
Yaba.
Get your hands on me, don't you think
1 2 and 3 1 2 and 3
You can't get me something. I don't want you to stay, so you better run in. Now stop looking my way. This is not your body. This was always mine. Nothing sweet about the look inside your eyes.